Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can reverse any video using VN Video Editor. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the VN Video Editor application, and then you have to bring the video you want to reverse onto the timeline here. After that, what you need to do is click on the video layer, and then scroll these options to the left. Here, you'll see there's an option called Reverse. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you'll see that processing is started. When it reaches 100%, see, right now it's at 15, 16, 17, 18%. Once it hits 100%, your video will be reversed. So, this is how you can reverse any video using the VN Video Editor application. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.